Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Paint Pour Kit is probably one of the most engaging and creative ways to introduce your kids to the wonderful world of art. It's messy, fun, and perfect for unleashing their imagination and creating unique masterpieces, allowing them to experiment with colors, textures, and techniques, all while developing their fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. This kit offers a fantastic opportunity for kids to express themselves artistically and enjoy the process of creating something beautiful. Number 5. Crayola Washable Paint Pour Set. Get ready to explore your creativity with this complete paint pouring set. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, offering endless possibilities for artistic expression. This set has 10 2-ounce paints in 5 vibrant colors, 3 canvases, and all the tools you'll need to get started, including a tray, beaker, pouring base, strainer, and stir sticks. Cleanup is a breeze with these washable paints. No more stress about spills or messes. Let your imagination run wild. Once you've finished decorating the included canvases, you can easily use it with any standard-sized canvas to continue your masterpieces. The possibilities are endless. It's designed with non-toxic, washable paints, making it safe and perfect for ages 8 and up. Get ready for hours of fun and creative exploration. With this complete set, you have everything you need to create stunning pour paintings. Let your creativity flow and have fun experimenting with colors and techniques. What we like? It's washable, making cleanup a breeze. If you have young children or are concerned about messes, this is perfect. Parents will love the easy cleanup, and kids will love the vibrant colors. This kit is ideal for those who want a fun, creative experience without the worry of permanent stains. What people say? Fun and easy. Many different methods to create unique art with the kids. The concept of spin art has always been one of my daughter's favorite hobbies. She was extremely excited to use this item. The paint that arrived with the tools is quality product. We also received 3 canvases, an eyedropper and a mix cup. The product looks fun and easy to set up. Canvas is good. Number 4. Faber-Castell Do Art Paint Pour Studio. Unleash your creativity with this complete paint pouring set. It's designed for kids to mix, layer, drip, and pour paint, creating unique fluid art designs. Get ready for 6 amazing projects. This kid-friendly set minimizes mess with a dedicated painting station, apron, cups, and gloves. Just add your imagination and enjoy the pouring paint fun. It includes 5 ready-to-pour paint colors: white, yellow, magenta, blue, and turquoise. No mixing needed. These paints create amazing patterns and textures right out of the box. Step-by-step instructions guide you through various paint pouring techniques, from galaxy art to drip and flip cup methods. It's perfect for all skill levels. Colorful stickers, straws, and a pipette let you add a personal touch to your creations. It's a fun and safe art experience for kids aged 7 and up. What we like? It comes with pre-mixed paints, so there's no mixing required. If you are looking for a less messy and more convenient option, this is the one for you. The all-inclusive kit minimizes cleanup, making it perfect for busy families and beginners. It's a great choice for those who want a hassle-free paint pouring experience. What people say? Was super easy and fun. The box made the cleanup of it easier as well as the gloves. Good size for kids, the canvases are small enough that it doesn't take long for the paint to dry. Comes with instructions for tips and tricks, a sheet of stickers and all the tools you need. Took overnight to dry. Number 3. Pouring Masters 48 Color Set. Unleash your creativity with this vibrant 48-color acrylic pouring paint set. It's pre-mixed and ready to use, so you can start creating stunning artwork right away. Pick from a wide array of colors, each one is perfectly formulated for fluid acrylic pouring techniques. They're ready to pour straight from the bottle. These paints are pre-mixed to a honey-like consistency for exceptional flow and cell creation. This ensures beautiful color blending and movement on your canvas. It's perfect for various pouring techniques like dirty pours, flip cups, and Dutch pours. Let your imagination guide you. With its ideal viscosity, it creates flawless cells and effects effortlessly. Experiment and discover your unique style. This set includes silicone oil for adjusting viscosity and creating even more amazing effects. Get ready to create beautiful art. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive array of 48 colors. If you're looking for a wide variety of colors and high-quality paints, this is the best option. The pre-mixed, high-flow paints ensure smooth and effortless pouring, perfect for creating stunning, vibrant artwork. It's perfect for experienced artists and those who want to explore advanced techniques. What people say. Amazing cells and vivid colors make this a must-have. Great value, fun, and super easy to use since they are ready to pour. No mixing mediums required. Colors performed wonderfully. This paint is the best to use that is pre-mixed. It's super easy to use, vibrant colors stay separate, and the pack comes with a lot of cool colors I can't find elsewhere. Number 2. AUREUO Acrylic Pouring Paint Kit. This kit has everything you need to create stunning acrylic pour paintings. It's pre-mixed and ready to use, so you can start creating right away. The paints are perfectly formulated for easy pouring. Their high-flow consistency makes creating beautiful cells and effects a breeze. These highly pigmented paints deliver vibrant colors that stay true after drying. They dry quickly, so you won't have to wait long to admire your artwork. The kit comes with everything you need: canvas, silicone oil, tools, and even gloves. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. Whether you're a child, adult, beginner, or professional, this kit makes creating art fun and accessible. Even if you've never painted before, you can create a masterpiece. Pour onto canvases, wood, stones, any flat surface. Let your creativity flow and enjoy the satisfying process of creating modern abstract art. What we like. It includes everything you need to get started, including pre-mixed paints and all the necessary tools. If you are a beginner or want a convenient option, this is a great choice. The kit's simplicity and ease of use make it perfect for those new to paint pouring. It's a great option for anyone who wants to jump right into creating beautiful artwork without any hassle. What people say. The set looked nice, and there was definitely plenty of paint. Great paints. Number 1. Made by Me Sparkling Pour Painting Set. Get ready to explore the exciting world of pour painting. This complete kit has everything you need to create stunning, marbled canvases. With 2 canvases included, you can experiment with different colors and techniques to make 2 one-of-a-kind pieces of art. It includes protective gloves, a tray, and a cover to keep your workspace clean and your creative process mess-free. 5 easy squeeze paints in a variety of colors, including metallic and glitter options, let you customize your artwork. Rainbow sprinkles and fun foam stickers add the perfect finishing touch to your pour painting creations. Let your imagination run wild. This comprehensive kit contains all the essentials: paints, canvases, protective gear, and decorative elements. You're ready to start creating right away. What we like. It features sparkling paints and fun decals to add extra flair to your creations. If you like adding a touch of sparkle and whimsy to your art, this is the perfect kit. The unique combination of metallic paints, glitter, and adorable decals makes it ideal for creating one-of-a-kind masterpieces. It's a great choice for kids who love glitter and fun embellishments. What people say. It was easy for her to use on her own and fun to play with. It's okay for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.